Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Pop Goes the World, performed by Scud Lightning!
Jenny played bass. The name of the band is the Human Race. Everybody tell me, have you heard? Pop Goes the World. Jenny played keyboard, Johnny played drums, called Little Baby and a Big Bottom. Everybody tell me, have you heard? Pop Goes the World. It goes something like this. Jenny had a crazy dream. See their picture in a magazine. Every little boy needs a girl. Pop goes the world. Jenny and Johnny getting smart, it seemed. Make more money on a movie screen. Every little nest needs a bird. Pop goes the world. Two, three, and four is five. Everybody here is a friend of mine. Whatever happened to the Duke of Earl? Pop goes the world. 6, 7, 8, and 9 is 10. Send Al Gunn to see the doctor. Hey, what planet are we on?
The third!
Pop goes the world. And every time I wonder where the world went wrong, end up lying on my face going ring-a-ding-a-ding-dong. And every time I wonder if the world is right, end up in some disco dancing all night. Johnny played guitar, Jenny played bass. The name of the band is the Human Race. Everybody tell me, have you heard? Pop goes the world. Johnny played guitar, Jenny played bass. Ain't nobody couldn't take their place. Everybody tell me, have you heard? Pop